Burn belly fat faster with a dumbbell. Did you know that over 60% of adults in the UK are struggling with belly fat? What if your current workout routine is actually holding you back from achieving a flat stomach? Stick around to learn the secret to burning belly fat faster than ever before. Over 30% of adults in the UK experience health issues due to excess belly fat, including diabetes and heart disease. What if you could not only improve your appearance but also your health by burning belly fat twice as fast? Get ready to transform your body and health with these effective techniques. Ready? Let's go! Dumbbell V-ups. Lie on your back and hold a dumbbell with both hands, raising your arms overhead and placing them on the floor. Keep your legs extended and resting on the floor. Simultaneously lift your upper body, arms and legs off the floor, bringing them together in a V position, aiming to bring the dumbbell toward your toes. Keep your back in a neutral position. Return to the starting position and repeat. This exercise engages your core muscles intensively, promoting calorie burn and aiding in weight loss. Dumbbell boat rows. Sit on the mat with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Hold a dumbbell with both hands in front of your chest with elbows bent. Slightly lean backward, maintaining a natural position in your back. Turn to the left side, bringing the dumbbell to the outer side in a half circle. Bring the dumbbell back to the center, then turn to the right side, performing another half circle. Return to the starting position. This exercise targets your core and obliques, helping to strengthen and tone the midsection, contributing to weight loss through increased muscle engagement. Dumbbell side bends, left. Stand tall and hold the dumbbell in your right hand. Bend your left elbow and place your left arm behind your head. Lean toward the left side, lowering your left elbow, while keeping the right arm at your side. Engage your core muscles, return to the starting position and repeat. This exercise focuses on your obliques and helps in burning fat around the waist, contributing to overall weight loss. Dumbbell side bends, right. Stand tall and hold a dumbbell in your left hand. Bend your right elbow and place your right arm behind your head. Lean toward the right side, lowering your right elbow, while keeping the left arm at your side. Engage your core muscles, return to the starting position and repeat. Like the left side bends, this exercise targets your obliques and aids in burning fat around the waist, promoting weight loss. Dumbbell crunches. Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet flat on the floor. Hold a dumbbell with both hands and extend them in front of you. Squeeze your abs and lift your upper back off the floor, driving the dumbbell toward the ceiling. Keep your lower back pressed on the floor. Return to the starting position and repeat. Dumbbell crunches enhance your abdominal strength, helping to tone the midsection and increase metabolic rate, which aids in weight loss. Seated dumbbell crunch holds. Sit on the floor with your knees bent and feet flat. Hold a dumbbell with both hands in front of your chest. Lean back slightly, engaging your core muscles. Hold this position, keeping your back straight and abs tight. This isometric exercise increases core stability and strength, helping to tone the abs and supporting weight loss through sustained muscle engagement. Frog crunch. Lie on your back with your knees bent and feet on the floor. Open your knees apart, allowing them to fall to each side. Raise your arms overhead. Lift your arms and upper back off the floor, bringing them toward your legs while simultaneously raising both legs off the floor to meet your arms. Squeeze your abs and lower to the starting position. Repeat. This exercise targets the entire core, especially the lower abs and obliques, helping to tone the midsection and burn calories, contributing to weight loss. Lying knee tucks. Lie on your back with your elbows bent behind your head. Extend your legs and place them on the floor. Lift your head and upper back off the floor. Bend your knees and bring them toward your chest and extend them to return to the starting position. Repeat. This exercise focuses on the lower abs, enhancing core strength and stability, and promotes calorie burn, aiding in weight loss. Scissors lifts. Lie on your back with your arms at your sides. Lift your legs off the floor in a crisscross movement, placing one leg on top of the other until they are vertical to the ceiling. Lower them back to the floor in the same pattern. Repeat. This exercise targets the lower abs and legs, improving muscle tone and increasing calorie expenditure, which supports weight loss. Side lying crunch left. Lie on your left side with your knees bent and legs stacked on top of each other. Place your right arm behind your head and bend your elbow. Lift your head and upper body off the floor, bringing it toward your right hip. Lower and repeat. This exercise targets the obliques, helping to tone the sides of your waist and burn calories for overall weight loss. Side lying crunch right. Lie on your right side with your knees bent and legs stacked on top of each other. Place your left arm behind your head and bend your elbow. Lift your head and upper body off the floor, bringing it toward your left hip. Lower and repeat. Like the left side, this exercise targets the obliques, aiding in toning the waist and promoting calorie burn for weight loss. Paused hip raise. Lie on your back with your arms at your sides and legs extended on the floor. Lift your legs and pelvis off the floor, driving them toward the ceiling with control. Lower them back to the starting position. Repeat. This exercise engages the lower abs and hip flexors, helping to strengthen the core and lower body, promoting muscle engagement and calorie burn, which supports weight loss. Let's talk about nutrition. Cutting down on sugars and refined carbs is crucial. Did you know that 60% of your results come from your diet? Focus on whole foods, lean proteins, and plenty of vegetables. And there you have it. Incorporate these exercises and tips into your daily routine, and you'll be on your way to burning belly fat twice as fast. Remember, consistency is key.